Hello and welcome everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use N8N platform. Basically this platform is used to create a workflow in which you can select multiple applications like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, email, a lots of things you can connect all together in one thing and you can automate your all the processes which comes under the workflow. Okay, so I will show you how you can create an account on N8N and how to use that account by using the ready-made templates over this platform. So let's go for N8N. So you will get this website. Let's go for this one. As you can see that it's also written AI workflow automation platform and tools. Okay, so I will show you first how to take a start. In order to start, you need to click on this get started for free. Okay, so I've just clicked on it. Here you can just simply fill out the form in order to create an account over this website. So I'm going to just write my name and email, each and everything. So as you can see that I have filled all the required details in this form, and now I'll just click on the start free 14-day trial, and it will just create an account over this website. It will just take a few moments. It's saying that account name is already in use, so I will just change it something like unique name. Let's see if it's already in use, and let's try this one. And now click on this. It's still staying. Okay, so the account has been created over this website and it's asking me to answer some question so that it can show me that kind of ready-made templates. So it's like only me and sales. I'm just putting this information randomly, okay? I just want to show you how to use the ready-made templates over N8N. Okay, so I'll just go with the submit section and it's asking me to add the name of the team member, so I will just skip it. And that's how our workspace is now created over the N8N. You can also see this quick guide in order to have step-by-step details. Okay, so our workspace is now online. Let's do start automating. So after that, we will have this kind of dashboard, and in the start, you can see that we can do executions of 1000, like whatever workflow we create that can handle only 1000 execution, because we are doing a free trial which is of 14 days. Okay, so in the left menu you will see the overview section, personal section, admin panel, and template section. The template section is very important in order to use the ready-made template to create your workflow. Okay, so I will just go with the templates and let's see if we want to use any of them. So as you can see, there is an workflow which says that Gmail campaign sender bulk send emails and follow up automatically if normal. That sounds good. Let's try this one. Use for free, and I would love to go with the get started free with N8N Cloud. So right after selecting the template, it will start showing me the workflow, and it's a template. If you want to do some basic changes, we can do on the same template. Okay, you can also create your own templates. So it's asking me to connect to my Gmail account so that it can send the emails, send new email, and it can also see the reply section if anyone has replied to my email. So I will just select create new Gmail credential. Okay, so sign in with Google or the same account. So I will select this one. Check mark all of these. Make sure to read the terms and condition. So the connection is successful. We have successfully connected our Gmail account. Okay, and now it's asking me to select Google Sheets. Let's do it. So we have set up all these requirements with N8N. We have connected our Gmail account. We have also connected our Google Sheets. Okay, so all our setups. So I will just with this, and I will just click continue button to proceed with this template. So in this section, this is a template which is already pre-made. You can just customize it according to your own choice. Like, see, you can do this kind of changes. You can read all these things. You just need to connect your Gmail account. As you have seen, we have already connected our email, Gmail, and as well as Google Sheet. Now it can easily send the directly email from Gmail, and it will keep on tracking all the emails, and will make a separate sheet, and will also send an follow-ups email. After this, setting up all these details in these sections, okay, like you can do this manual setting, email sequence, okay. So after that, you just need to click on the execute workflow. So it will just execute the workflow and will start working. As you know, as you can see, I haven't added all this information yet, so it will give me an error hopefully. So let's see. So it's just checking if the workflow is almost set up or not. As you know, we have connected our Gmail account as well as Google Sheets, but it's giving us an error, okay, because we haven't set up all the things in these boxes. We have to do this all this manually. After setting up this information, you just need to click on the execute workflow, and it will start sending and tracking emails. So yes, that's all about using pre-made templates on N8N and how to use that platform. Thanks for watching.